In this video, we'll be talking about package managers. Linux users or BSD users are familiar with package managers. It makes their life easier. So, for those who are not tech savvy like me, this video is for you. Normal Windows users or Mac OS users, which I've already said, not tech savvy like me, don't have idea about package managers. Software developers, they do have some sort of familiarity with package managers, like JavaScript developers use Node or Yarn as the package manager. Python developers use a PIP package manager, but many of them who are developing software in Windows or Mac OS never bothered to think about having a package manager that's system-wide. So let's move forward. So what is actually a package manager? In short, a package manager itself is a package that manages other packages. That means you can install, uninstall, search for packages by using a package manager. You don't even need to open a browser to search for your packages and then download and install them. Package manager will do the searching, will do the installing, will install the dependencies and everything. You can also uninstall your packages using a package manager. Now, I have said the word package a lot. Now, you may wonder what is a package. A package is actually an archive that has a binary file to execute. That means a binary file to execute along with some additional necessary files. Alright, binary file to execute. This actually means whenever we see software or an application in Mac OS or Windows, those files don't get run actually. To make this clear, let me give an example for this. Let's go to our applications directory. I believe I can explain it better. Okay, let's see. Let's just hover over Firefox. Now, if I right click on Firefox, there is an option that is show package contents. Well, what does this mean? This means that Firefox is a package. Okay, let's click on this. Wow. It's inside this we have folders and subfolders and some other files. So here that has a binary file, one or more binary file that has a binary file to execute along with some additional necessary files. So here the folders and the files we are seeing here, those are the additional necessary files. Then where is the binary? Well, I can see the binary here. You see that Firefox and the Firefox -bin, these are the binary files. These are the files. They actually get run whenever you click on or double click on Firefox. Whenever you double click on this Firefox here. To demonstrate it further, let me show you by a better means. So let's open up a terminal. Let me increase the font size. Alright, that's good enough, I guess. So let's go to applications folder. Here I'm using CD. CD, it actually stands for change directory. So let's go to applications. Now just see, when I type CD and then Firefox, and press enter, this command actually succeeds. That means that firefox.app is not actually an executable. It's a directory. So okay, let's go to where we did see the macOS binary file in this folder, I guess. Let's find it. Is it here? Okay, it's here. So you're in the correct directory. All right. Now in macOS there is a special command to open up applications. That command is open then -a space Firefox. Now you can say that Firefox gets open. We are reading Firefox with F as a capital letter, so which is actually like this. So you may say that this archive got open as an application, but no, you're wrong. I can say why it's wrong. Let me close this Firefox again. Now this open is actually another command that does something, that has an argument, that has two arguments, -a, which is which is also called a flag, and then an argument is Firefox. So open is another command. Open is actually the binary or executable here. Firefox is not an executable. Now what happens, so this dot means this dot actually means the current directory. So let me type Firefox with the lowercase f and then then press enter. See, Firefox gets open. I can also do some other things. I can also give you another example of this. Let me print the directory up here. Okay, so it's applications, Firefox app, contents, macOS, then Firefox. If I run this long command, it will open up Firefox. So that means Firefox, the file we actually see here, this is the file is actually being run. Okay, I think the idea of a package is clear now. So, well, I've skipped one thing here. There's some metadata. So what are those metadata? The metadata is actually the package information, dependency list, the package information. By package information, that's actually I can say that the name of the package, the version of the package, the description of the package, and the dependency list is the additional packages that are those which are needed to run this package. All right. Now, why is it necessary? One place to do all things. That means with this one command or one place, you can search for your packages, you can install them, you can uninstall them, but you can also say that the macOS users, we have App Store, so why bother using another package manager? Well, one thing, the package manager or the package system, this actually derives from Linux or BSD systems. So this actually more efficient than the normal executables or the normal applications we have. How? To explain this, the word dependencies comes here. How? So let me give you an example. You need to watch a video which is online, and in a format, that video has a format that your browser can't play. So what can you do? You can download the video and then open it with a video player. some video players can also play the video with the link. It downloads from the link and then play the videos. Now, your video player has to have that downloading functionality built in to do so. But if you're using the package system, that means in the package system, the system will be like you have an external downloader, another downloader that's a package itself and that can download files, and a video player which has a dependency of that download, which the downloader is a dependency of this package, this video player, to play the files from internet. The downloader downloads the file incrementally in the background and video player plays the file when it's getting downloaded. So in here, the downloading functionality needs not to be built in the video player. It can use the external downloader to provide a functionality. So this case will look like something like this. The big circle, just assume it's the video player, and the small circle, that's the downloader. So this and the diamond shape at the adjacent to the small circle is denoting the dependency. That means this big circle is big circle has a dependency, that is the small circle. So in these cases, this is easy. And why it is in these cases this is easy to understand. And the power of this, you can see that, well, the size and the complicacy of that video player is cut down because it does not need to have the built-in functionality of downloading something. So you have another external downloader which is capable of downloading, and you have a video player which is capable of playing video files. So in this scenario, the video files and this downloader, they both become small because they are doing just one thing. Well, if this is the case for just two software, it is very easy to handle and understand. But when it becomes a matter of 50, 60 or more softwares, it becomes like this, so jumbled. So it can be nightmare to handle all these dependencies by yourself, by manually. So for that, you need a package manager. It will make your life easy, because the package manager will do everything. It will search for your packages, it will download your packages, it will install your packages, it will install the dependencies of your packages, it will uninstall your packages. It's gonna make your life easy. There are package managers available for Windows and Mac OS as well. If you tend to use them, you can use them. You can find a video about them on my channel. So until next time, goodbye.